All right. Today we'll learn about how to write literature review. I will show how to write literature review very efficiently. Okay. Our topic is factors affecting life satisfaction. What are the factors that are responsible for satisfaction in life? Okay. Now what you will do? You will type factors affecting life satisfaction in Google. You will find out so many articles. You will click the articles which are relevant to your topic. Okay. From here only I have selected few of them, three of them actually. One is the study done in, this is the study done in Nepal, factors affecting life satisfaction among the oldest old, this is from China, and factors affecting life satisfaction in Turkey. Now what you will do, you will make a matrix of key informations like who are the authors, where did the study was conducted, what are the factors affecting the life satisfaction, and what are the limitations of the study. What you will do, you will go to the abstract or conclusion for very quick review on the actual findings. It's better to read the whole text, but for this video I've already gone through the article, so I know where the key informations are. Okay, so for example, in Turkey, you see the variables or factors lowering life satisfaction are poverty, low health status, feelings of depression. Okay, but see, in contrast, being married, higher education, having income generating work, increased life satisfaction. What you have found? Factors like marriage, higher education increase life satisfaction, but poverty, lower health status, lower social acceptance reduce the life satisfaction. Now, what is the evidence in China? Okay, from China, this is the abstract. I know where the information is. Okay, see, factors that are correlated with life satisfaction include sex, education, place of residence, cognitive ability, social security, factors like this. Now what you will do, you will jot down the information here. Health status, economic status, social service, this increase the life satisfaction. Occurrence of depression, low poor social status, this lower the life satisfaction. Okay, this is the evidence from China. Now let's see from Kathmandu. What is the evidence in Kathmandu? Okay, this is the article, guys. Life satisfaction among senior citizens in Kathmandu, Nepal. You can go through all the text. I've gone through the conclusion here. Okay, see, this study concluded that most senior citizens were satisfied. Now, what were the factors? Good economic status, ownership of property, having good family income. This increased the life satisfaction. Okay, now what you will do, you put the information here. Good economic status, ownership of property increases life satisfaction. Okay, the same thing, we'll just write it down like this. In various studies conducted by researchers, similar factors were found to be associated with satisfaction. Like in Turkey, they found marriage, higher education, income generating, and as positive for life satisfaction. Similar finding was found in Kathmandu, Nepal, where they found good economic status, ownership of property to be uh, positive for life satisfaction. This increased the life satisfaction. But now let's see here, guys. We are doing critical literature review, so we'll find out what are the limitations of these studies, what these authors have studied, and where they have studied, what are the lacking, what are they lacking, what information they could not give us. So what are the limitations? All these studies were done among the senior citizens, among the older adults. But what about the young people? What about teenagers? What are the factors affecting life satisfaction of teenagers? All three of these studies could not answer that. So our limitation is, sorry, our limitation is, what about, they have, these studies have limited their focus on elderly and old age population, but what about the young population? What about them? What about the young population? You see, this is the critical literature review. You will find out the findings, write it down, but you will point out that these articles are limited because they could not answer the question for young teenagers. So in this way you will write down the findings and point out the limitation of the studies. This is the way to write critical literature review efficiently. Okay, so this is all for today, guys.